Hello, we are getting started with week 5 today. So I wanted to take some time to record a quick video to tell you what we're working on. So this week we're going to scroll down to week 5 and we're going to open up the Labor Number 2 project handout and then scroll all the way down to week 5. As you know, we are working on our letter or email, our complaint letter or letter of inquiry, and you only have to write one or the other. You don't have to write both kinds of letters. So this week we're going to read some samples and then we are going to write a little discussion post about what we noticed in the samples. And then basically you've got the week to work on writing and drafting and revising your letter. So let's go ahead and take a look at the sample letter discussion forum. Basically, I've asked you to do some reflection on what you learned by reading the sample letters. So what were some things you thought the sample letter did well? What needs to be considered a bit more? Are there things from the samples that surprised you? And then finally, how can sample letters help you as you're drafting? So those are some things to consider in a reflective discussion post. And then as you can see, you basically have the rest of the week to work on writing and drafting and revising your letter. And it is due, the final is due Sunday by 11:59 p.m. So remember, as a part of our labor contract, one of the things that I expect from you when you turn in final drafts is that you have paid attention to things like editing and formatting in particular for this assignment is very important because we're writing a letter. So be sure to review the labor contract to ensure you're completing the assignment in all of its as it's intended. For this assignment, you do have some optional additional labor, so this is not required, but the task will go towards increasing your score beyond the baseline B. You can utilize the Student Writing Center or tutor.com to have your letter reviewed, and please plan accordingly because both require at least 24 hours to get the essay reviewed and then sent back to you. So if you choose to use tutor.com, we have got, where is it? There it is. A link right here. And be sure to access it through Moodle because that is how you will be able to sign in without being asked to pay for it. So tutor.com. And then we also have the Student Writing Center. So we also have the Student Writing Center, which will be under NPC Student Resources, and I will add the link here when I'm done recording this video. But the Student Writing Center is available for you, and they're working remotely now. You just need to call your campus or center to check with the hours of operation and to speak or to speak with a learning assistant. So we've got all the different locations, center locations, who to contact, and you can just contact them and they will be able to help you with that. So that is an optional labor for this week if you want to work towards increasing your baseline B to an A. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know.